Hi there, Wonia Thibault of Buckskin Revolution here, and we are gearing up for the premiere of Alone Season 6 and building up to the premiere date, which is June 6, 2019. I'm talking a little bit about some of the gear that I brought out with me to build excitement and yeah, just bring you into my experience a little bit more. So I had some big questions and big decisions ahead of me while prepping for my experience up there. And one was whether to bring homemade gear of natural clothing, which is what I wear a lot in my life, and a big basis of my career is teaching people to tan hides and make really functional clothing out of home tanned deer skins, as well as fiber arts such as felting, spinning, knitting, and a lot of other things that are really applicable to outdoor living situations. However, it took a lot of time to make, and I didn't have a lot of Arctic level gear on hand, so I had to choose whether I wanted to invest the time into making more gear to bring out with me versus really try to hone my skills and buy gear to take that was probably going to be synthetic or lesser quality than what I could bring myself. So I ended up going with really putting the time in to my gear rather than honing my skills, and just trusted in the fact that decades of studying a lot of these life ways were going to see me through in the skills department. So, and this is actually not pants that I made for the time, but they are the pants that I brought out there. So a pair of buckskin pants was one of the key elements of my wardrobe. And this is, let me do the buttons up here, should have done that before the filming. And you can see they took a beating. Got a little bit of repair work to do. They were already easily 15 years old. Is that right? Let me think about that. Yeah, about 15 years old when I went out there. So one of the amazing things about buckskin is its incredible durability. These things have been taking a beating for decades, literally. These are my chainsaw pants out in the woods, getting my firewood, hiking, doing farm work, whatever heavy labor I have that I need durable pants. These have been my go-to for over a decade. So I brought them out as my main pair of pants on Alone. And I want to talk a little bit about what makes buckskin so unique and why I was so glad to be going to a cold climate. Now, I've spent a lot of time in cold climates like Vermont and way upstate New York near the Canada border and northern Wisconsin, and lived for a brief time in northern Ontario. So I'm familiar with cold, but I'd never been anywhere near as far north as we were in the Northwest Territories for Season 6 of Alone. That said, anytime you're in a place that's a dry cold, something like buckskin is such a good material as opposed to something synthetic, because it allows for breathing and it allows for range of motion, and buckskin is quiet when you're out in the woods as opposed to synthetic materials that usually have that swish swish. So I really believe that the energy that we bring out when we're in wilderness situations, or if we're in hunting or trapping situations, has a lot to do with how the forest and how the land and how the critters are going to respond to us. So for me, wearing something like deerskin, where I can show that I have the kind of relationship with animals, that I use all of their parts, and that I respect and value them enough to clothe myself in their skin, that really meant something to me. And that was the kind of energy that I wanted to bring into my experience. Also, they're really protective, you know, thorns, briars, that kind of thing, they can't get through. So buckskin pants are really durable. They're going to really be protective, more so than most cloth materials. They're going to be quiet, and they're going to be great in a dry cold because they'll let the moisture of my body out so I don't accumulate sweat inside my layers, while being cold enough, and once it's well below freezing, they're not going to be taking moisture in easily. So this was an excellent choice, and yeah, served me well out there. I'm all for buckskin clothing in cold climates. So thanks for joining me, and I'm so looking forward to once the show has aired and I can share more about my experience and all of the skills and gear that I brought out and put to good use out there. Thanks so much for joining me.